Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 on your Windows 11 or 10 operating system. Thank you for answer.microsoft.com provide us this article, and here we go. If you get this error, specified module cannot be found, you can try to disable Windows modules installer. So we can hold Windows logo and R key, Windows key and R key, and try to write services.msc in order to go to the services options, and here you can try to find Windows module installer. And here we go, Windows modules installers. So you can try to stop this app manually, then restart it again and restart your PC and check if the issue get resolved. Or you can run system file checker as FC to scan your corrupted or missing file. So you can open it on run command, and if a Windows resources protection WRP file is missing or corrupted, Windows may not behave as expected. So be careful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, the next button below. See you in the next video.